Korea's citizenship? Not yet.
Not yet, but soon, yeah, soon.
Okay,
Very soon.
Okay.
So you're not allowed to. Tsaka.
Do you have license in the
Yeah,
Philippines?
Philippine license here. Philippine license here.
So you're alien. Alien.
Alien,
Yeah.
but
It's
not
cool.
from Mars. No, I'm kidding.
We are from Mercury.
Because we are planning here to build a business.
Oh.
Mm.
What business?
It's a Pogo and Sugar.
No!
Why?
Legal?
Sugal daw?
Legal nga. Legal.
You know that?
Yeah. Pogo?
Yeah, what is that?
Casino.
Like,
It's
wait.
Philippine Offshore Gaming.
Pogo and Sugar? Yeah, here's the Pogo and Sugar.